What's up, crypto legends? In this episode, we're analyzing where the price of Bitcoin could go in the next coming hours and couple of days. A sign of strength, a sign of weakness. What are those levels that we need to take into consideration? Make sure to stay tuned till the very end of this episode. Remember, Bybit, my #1 crypto trading platform. I've spoken to Bybit. You have the best deals down below, 20% fee reduction, and also that deposit bonus. If you cannot trade on Bybit, I would suggest 𝗬𝗫. Also, low fees and a great deposit bonus here. Just with an email and a password, you can sign up. Best on-off ramp for crypto euro. You can use 𝗕𝗶, guys. Extremely low fees. If you want to flip your crypto profits into euro, make sure to use the 𝗕𝗶. Now let's go right away here with the technical analysis, keeping it simple, easy for the viewer. We were bullish here when we were trading at $63,000 range, expecting this bounce. Why? We were having bullish CVD divergence, right? We were having retail short positions being absorbed by larger limit orders. We had the 𝗬𝗏𝘄 pattern right over here. Very nice, explained here just a few days ago. Beautiful bounce. We were looking for that claim of $69,000 because there was also a bunch of liquidity sitting at this level, and it was basically swept up. Okay, a lot of short liquidations. Now with this rally, we were talking about here the possibility on a possible ABC structure. We've been bullish here for many reasons, looking for this level to be hit, and this is the zone where we're going to analyze very carefully. 70k, 71k, how are we going to react? We are reacting to this level, so no doubt that there is resistance. We're hitting the 7/8 Fibonacci, my second preferred Fibonacci level after the 618. You can see the 7/8 Fibonacci here at the $70,800 range, where we are, struggling to break above. So let's understand here, hey, okay, we have swept these highs, short liquidations. Is people bullish enough right now to think that we're going to smash above all-time high? Well, we do have the fear and greed index at extreme greed. I think a lot of people are very, very bullish on Bitcoin and expect it to hit all-time high in the next coming days. Let's just go here through the pure technical analysis, guys. Now, looking at this scenario, I do see this quite impulsively. There's too many ways for this to be a corrective structure. What I do see here happening during the last week is that we had a major pump to the upside, three-wave structure to the downside in this 𝗬𝗏𝘄 pattern, and getting this rally. I am looking at this for an ABC, okay? Possibly topping out very, very soon. Now, the question is, okay, let's just keep it extremely simple. Inside of the C wave, we want 5 waves, and it does look like that we have possibly formed the 5th wave already, or we are going to form one more wave here to the upside. Now, you could speculate that the 5th wave happened here in between yesterday and today, right? You can see that small little swing failure pattern from those highs created on Monday just yesterday, right? And today we're just getting the pullback, and we're ready to rally here. We are ready to drop very aggressively. I'm going to be paying attention here very, very carefully. I think, we could be forming another move down and another move here to the upside in that ABC structure. I think there is a possibility. I mean, these B waves, okay, because at the end of the day, I'm looking at this to be an ABC, and we're going to get another low here beneath $60,000 in the next couple of weeks. Give or take 1 or 2 weeks, right? The question is, where is this top for the B wave? The B wave could be a flat, and we're going to break all-time high. It's very, very complex. So for the moment, what we are analyzing here very, very carefully is the most important levels of support and resistance on the lower time frame. If this, okay, we pretty clearly see here that from this momentum, if this were to be an ABC, from the start of the C wave, okay, we can clearly see a 1 wave, 2 wave, and here it's where it gets a little bit complex, okay? Has this been 3, then 4, and then 5? Is this still, okay, a 3? We're just forming the 4th wave right now during the last couple of days. Could we go to lower levels? Well, if we were to get this drop, guys, I'm going to talk about the most important level of support. Of course, that would be the 382 50% Fibonacci from the 2nd wave to the 3rd wave top. And that is what we would want to see the price of Bitcoin holding very nicely in the next coming hours, maybe in between today and tomorrow. If we were to get that drop of over $2,000, okay, in the next coming hours, this is the zone where we are, looking for a possible bounce. Not only speculating here on a fourth wave, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You're hitting 382, 50% potentially. That would be quite aggressive. But where we have the highest volume node from the last 3 weeks of the price, okay, traded, is sitting right over there at the 50% Fibonacci. $67,500 range is where we should get the reaction consolidation, okay? And this is where we should be bouncing, okay? Now, we are going to be analyzing this situation, but I would be very much interested if we do not break above yesterday's highs above $71,500. If we were to move down from here, I would still be interested in that possible long trade in between 50% and 382, okay, which is in between $67,000 and $68,000 range, okay, to look for those double bottom scenarios and one more leg here to the upside. Now, if this were to happen, I will be interested in shorts, okay? So I'm looking for longs here at this level. This is only if we do not hit the highs, because if we do bounce from this level, we've already hit the minimum requirement for that fourth wave, which is the 382 Fibonacci. And if we do break above here, okay, the highs of yesterday above $71,500, I will be looking for shorts. I will be looking for shorts. I do see this as a one, okay, A wave, B wave, C wave. We've already formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves if we were to bounce already, breaking the highs. And I would be looking for that failed auction if we were to move above here in between today and tomorrow and then, lose the highs. I would be looking at this as a failed auction. That is it. That is completed for me. That B wave will be completed, and I would be looking for that swing short position to hit the lows below $60,000 here in the next coming days. Okay, looking for this B wave to finish. We get the bounce from here, get above it. I would be looking for that failed auction. Of course, I'm going to remain patient. The price getting above yesterday's highs, this fifth wave, can be massive. It can go above all-time high. This ABC could turn out into a flat. Okay, so I'm not interested in shorting as long as we're above this third wave. Failed auction swing failure pattern, yes, bring it on. We are above this level. This could rocket to all-time high. So unless we're creating local double tops here, I am not shorting above this third wave. Okay, just so you understand, this could rocket to all-time high. Very important to understand. Let's go right away here with the bearish case scenario. Of course, if we were to lose that point of control, legends, if we were to lose that point of control here, and we are dropping beneath, okay, this potential fourth wave limit, which is basically the 618 sitting around about $66,700. If the price action starts losing this point of control, the 618, of course, you are losing already those levels. That means that this is finished as an ABC. It's finished as a B wave. And we are very likely going to come down to the lows in the coming days here at $61,000 and even below. So a clear sign of weakness would be dropping here beneath $66,500, right? Let's keep it a nice rounded number, all right? $66,500, we lose this level, okay? This for me is no longer going to be bullish. Even though we do create a higher low right there, this is likely going to form a lower high and start breaking down. Massive level of resistance. The point of control sitting at $67,200 range from the last 3 weeks, okay? Pay attention, a major loss of that level is going to be bearish, and I would be looking here for these lows here created on the 20th of March to be taken after the loss of this level. Keeping it simple, guys. I'm still looking for the rollover. The question is, Will we hit all-time high? I've mentioned the scenario here. Failed auction, bring it on. It will be looking good. As long as we're above this level, looking for those highs to be taken. Could we create a swing failure pattern from all-time high? Absolutely yes. Looking for that ABC, scenario. Make sure to pay attention to Fibonacci time. It's extremely important. When we take a look at a pivot low, Fibonacci time here, trend-based time on the top left, pivot low to the pivot high, you cross the 1-to-1, bang, you explode. The 1-to-1, you move to the upside. Same scenario right over here. Pivot low to the pivot high, you cross the 1-to-1. Look at this. Impulsive, corrective structure, 1-to-1, bang, you cross that vertical line here, 1-to-1, you explode out. And what we are looking at here, legends, all right, because I would be bullish if we were to see this price action, still think that we could get that leg up as an ABC corrective move. When we take a look here from the ultimate low level to the high, 1-to-1 is still, after the 2nd of April. Hey, this is still got some time here for that ABC, and once we cross the 1-to-1, okay, this is 1 week from now, it's going to be looking really good. If we do cross here the 1-to-1 in that ABC structure and get above it, this low here, above $60,800, failed auction, bang, ABC scenario. This is pure speculation, but we'll be going through this scenario in the next coming days. Legends, thank you very much for joining. We'll be doing a live stream afterwards. Very, very likely. Check out my Bybit tutorial here, as you can see on the video popping up. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.